everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm back with another easy step on how to create an Old Navy account. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To create an Old Navy account, first make sure to open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in oldnavy.gap.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site of Old Navy, go to the upper right hand corner and click on the sign in drop down. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button popping up on the display, and on the next page, type in an email address that you would like to use in order to sign up for Old Navy. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have an access to and click the continue button. You'll be able to see additional text boxes appearing on the display. In the first name text box, type in your first name. Head over to the next one and type in your last name. Create a password for your Old Navy account. Whenever you're creating a password, make sure that you include these characters displayed on the screen, and in the last text box you can also type in your mobile number. Since it's an optional, you can skip the mobile number step as well. After filling in all of your details, click the create account button, and as you can see that you've successfully created a new account on Old Navy. That is how you can easily sign up or create an Old Navy account. Old Navy is an American clothing and accessories retailing company owned by multinational corporation Gap Inc. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.